Welcome back friend. This video I am going to show you 4 easy ways to restart your Samsung Galaxy phone. If you are new here to my channel, please consider to subscribe it. Let's jump right in. First method, I am using button combination mode. To do it, locate the power button and volume down button on your Samsung phone. Once you found the both button, simply long press the both button at the same time and wait a few seconds. After the pop-up page is open, you can see various options. Located the restart button, tap on it once, then tap it again and automatically restart your Samsung phone. The second method, I am using the quick panel menu. To do it, swipe the top of the screen to open the notification panel, then swipe again to open the quick panel page. After this page is open, look at the top menu bar, you can find the small power button. Once you found them, simply tap on it, then click on restart, then tap restart again and automatically restart your phone. I am using third option, my settings. So open settings, scroll all the way to the very bottom, go to accessibility. Once you are in the accessibility page, tap on interaction and dexterity. Here you can find the assistant menu option. Right now this option is turned off, simply turn it on. Once the option is turned on, you can appear the assistant menu icon on your screen. Once you found the icon, simply tap on it, then scroll, select the power off option. You can see the pop-up option appear. Simply tap on the restart button, tap restart again and automatically restart your phone. The last and final method, I am using Google Assistant voice recommend. To do it, but make sure to your phone is connected a valid Wi-Fi or mobile data and wait to connect it your phone. After your phone is connected, simply say, "Hey Google, please turn off my phone."
Sure. Opening the power menu. You can shut down from there.
In the page is open, you can see various options. Simply select restart, then tap restart again and you have successfully restarted your phone for easy way. If you found this guide will help you, please like this video. Also share it with your best friend.